Did your train fall apart?
Yeah.
Oh no!
No.
Can you say, oh no? Oh, what's wrong, Bashi?
What?
It's okay. You can fix it. What are you trying to do? There's more trains in there. Yeah, take them out. Don't lean on the drawer, Bash. It's gonna break if you do. Yeah, put them out. Yeah, you know how much bigger your train's gonna be now? It's gonna be huge. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Want Daddy to help? Can you go around the other side? Okay. Push it. Push the train a little bit more. Alright, go on. Go on the other side.
Oh no!
It's okay. It's just one. Put it back on. Push it. Push him through. Good job. Okay, go around. Slow down, you don't want to hurt yourself. You going around to get the train at the other end?
Yeah.
Okay, go around. You having fun? Choo choo! Choo choo! Sebastian, can you do it for Daddy? Choo choo?
Oh no!
What happened? What happened? It's breaking? Yeah. Can you do choo choo? It's okay, you can fix it. There you go, fix it. Maybe the train's getting too big. That's probably the reason why it's falling apart. Can you do choo choo? What are you trying to do? Oh, Bashi, you